clogged drains drive everyone nuts, but knowing how to clear them right can save you a ton of stress and cash. Okay, so here's the deal with clearing drains. The go-to tool is usually a drain machine with a spiral wound cable that comes in different sizes depending on how wide or long your pipe is. You just pick the right cable diameter and the right cable head, then crank it through the pipe to bust up the clog. For places like restaurants or food factories where grease is the problem, the spiral cable often won't cut it because grease sticks hard to the pipe walls. That's when you want a high-pressure jetter, which basically blasts water at crazy force to rinse that grease away. You definitely don't want to reach for acid-based chemicals first. Those are a last resort because they're harsh and can mess up your pipes, especially if your drain has bends or damage. Acid only makes sense on small 2-inch lines like bathtub drains when nothing else works. So start with the cable machine, switch to jetting for grease, and save chemicals as your final move. Always better to be safe than sorry. One of the biggest mistakes people make with drain cleaning is trying to force chemicals down the drain first, which can cause pipe corrosion and make things worse. The fix? Use mechanical methods like the spiral cable or jetter first to avoid damage. Another common slip-up is using the wrong cable size or head, which can jam or break inside the pipe. Always match the tool size to your pipe diameter and length to keep things smooth. Lastly, people often forget that grease clogs need a different approach, so relying on cables alone won't clear the problem. Switching to a high-pressure jetter helps blast through that stubborn buildup without harming pipes. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners needing trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. It also hooks up contractors with steady work by connecting them directly to people who need home projects done right without all the hassle.